Hi, I'm Joe Santiago, Acrobat Evangelist here at Adobe. Ever been in this situation? You have the final PDF of a document, but you need to make a major change and can't find the original Word or PowerPoint file. It's frustrating to say the least, but you don't have to rebuild the whole file from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert different file formats to and from PDF, easily saving time while retaining document quality, all in Adobe Acrobat Studio. Let's solve that lost file problem right now. This is how to change a PDF into a Word document. With our PDF open, we'll select Convert from the global bar. In the Convert pane, you'll see all your options. We'll choose Microsoft Word. This is truly one of the easiest PDF to Word converters for Mac and Windows users. Now just select the Convert to Docs button. This is how to convert a PDF to a Docs format easily. Acrobat instantly converts the document, allowing you to download the new Word file. And just like that, our PDF is now a fully editable Word document. You can see it preserved our layout, fonts, and images. It's just as easy to convert files into a PDF. Let's say you have an image like a JPEG that you need to share. From the global bar, we'll select Create, and then choose Create PDF. Just choose your JPEG file, drag it into the window, and that's it. Acrobat instantly turns your photo into a high-quality shareable PDF. It's the fastest way to convert a picture or photos into a PDF without losing quality. And as you can see, you can convert almost any file type to and from PDF, including Excel, PowerPoint, and even back to an image. So whether you're rescuing a lost file by converting it from a PDF or turning images and documents into one, you now know how to convert different file formats to and from PDF easily. Try Adobe Acrobat Studio. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.